Hey there! Experiencing frustrating input errors with your Anker keyboard? You are not alone. Many people wonder how to fix Anker keyboard misinput, whether it be repeating keys, lag, or unresponsive behavior. The good news is that there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve these issues and get back to typing smoothly. In this guide, we'll walk you through the key steps to fix these common problems and enhance your typing experience. Step 1. Check hardware connection. The first step in troubleshooting your Anker keyboard is to ensure all hardware connections are secure. Start by disconnecting the keyboard from your computer. Check the USB port for any dust or debris, and then reconnect the keyboard securely. If you're using a Bluetooth connection, ensure the keyboard is paired correctly by navigating to your computer's Bluetooth settings and verifying the connection. Sometimes a simple reconnection can solve the misinput issue. Step 2. Update or reinstall drivers. Drivers control the connection between your hardware and operating system. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause misinput problems. Update your keyboard drivers by visiting Anker's official website or using your operating system's update system. If updating doesn't work, try uninstalling the keyboard drivers. Restart your computer and the drivers should reinstall automatically. This process often involves many input-related issues. Step 3. Adjust keyboard settings. Customizing your keyboard settings can help manage responsiveness and input behavior. On Windows, go to the control panel and click on Keyboard. Adjust the repeat delay and repeat rate settings to see if this resolves the misinput problem. On a Mac, open System Preferences, navigate to Keyboard, and adjust the settings as needed. Experimenting with these settings can reduce accidental key presses or lags in response. Step 4. Test on another device. To determine if the issue is with the keyboard or the computer itself, try connecting your Anker keyboard to another device. If the misinput problems persist on another device, the issue likely lies with keyboard. Conversely, if it functions properly on a second device, the original computer may be the source of the problem, possibly due to specific software conflicts or system settings. Step 5. Reset keyboard settings. If none of the above solutions work, performing a reset on your keyboard might be necessary. Refer to your Anker keyboard's manual for specific reset instructions, as these can vary between models. A reset can revert any unintended changes to the keyboard settings and resolve persistent issues. Be aware that this will typically return all settings to their default state. Dealing with keyboard input issues can be frustrating, but learning how to fix Anker keyboard misinput is a manageable task with the right approach. Remember to start by checking all hardware connections and updating drivers. Adjusting your keyboard settings and testing the device on another system can offer more clues to the problem. Lastly, resetting the keyboard is a reliable way to fix stubborn inaccuracies. By following these steps, you can enhance your typing experience and keep productivity flowing. If issues persist, contacting Anker support for further assistance may be necessary. Enjoy a smoother, more responsive keyboard experience, and happy typing.